is this not working? Here we go. Okay, ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Get your finger on your nose. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ever. Happy birthday to you. Come here, buddy.
Come blow it out.
You gonna blow out your candle?
Blow harder.
Hard.
Good
Yay!
job.
Yay!
Good job.
You wanna open your
You like the
presents?
cake?
Yum yum.
Yum
Yum yum.
We gotta, we'll,
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
we'll cut the cake, okay? You wanna open your presents?
Mom.
Yeah.
You wanna open your presents?
Come on, let's go over here.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go over here, okay? Oh, look, buddy.
one.
Look, look, look. Come here.
Open them.
Open that one, yeah.
Just rip it.
Yeah.
See that right there.
Hey.
Rip it open.
Ew.
What is it?
It's it.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa.
They're shoes.
They're slippers.
Car shoes.
Yeah.
You want to put them on?
Here, look. Put your foot in. Put your foot in.
I tried. Whoa.
You put your feet in there, buddy.
They're car shoes.
And you wear them around the house.
Yeah.
Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
You want to open that one first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mom. Oh.
Cow.
Yeah. I tried.
What is that, bud?
Open it.
You can do it.
Mom. Oh.
Car. Shoes.
I tried.
What is it? What is it? Oh.
Is that your own
Is
little
that
computer?
your own computer?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You want Daddy to take it out of the box?
Yeah.
Are those good presents?
Yeah.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mom. Whoa.
Do you want to put your slippers on?
Yeah.
Okay, sit up on the table. Sit up on the table. Okay, we'll stop this for a second, okay?
Hey.
Okay.
Mom.